53, we got a multi-step problem. One day, the ratio of skiers to snowboarders on the mountain at a ski resort was 13:10. So that means there were 13 skiers for every 10 snowboarders. The resort sold a total of 253 lift tickets during the day. Okay, part A, find the ratio of snowboarders on the mountain to all of the skiers and snowboarders. Snowboarders, we were told, was 10. To the number of skiers and snowboarders, well, if it's 13 to 10 skiers to snowboarders, it's like there's a total of 13 plus 10 or 23 people. So the ratio of snowboarders to all skiers and snowboarders would be 10 to 23. Part B, use the ratio from A to find the number of lift tickets sold to snowboarders. So if we've got 10 snowboarders out of 23 total, how many snowboarders out of, we sold a total of 253 total lift tickets. So in order to get rid of a divide by 253, we'll times by 253. And when we take 253 times 10 and then divide it by 23, we get 110 on the nose. So we find out that 110 snowboarders bought tickets. During the same day, the ratio of snowboarders who rented to snowboarders who owned their own boards was 4 to 7. So I like to write this, 4 to 7, and again I like to label. This was the ratio of rent to owners. So 4 rent for every 7 that owned. Find the number of snowboarders who rented a snowboard. Well, if we want to think about who rented, think of 4 rent for every 7 that owned. That would be like saying 4 rent out of 11 total snowboarders. Because 4 and 7 makes the 11. But remember, we had 110 total snowboarders, so I can put that in the total, the denominator. And now I can solve to find the number of snowboarders who rent. We'll times by 110 on both sides. And if we take 110 times 4, divide by 11, we come out right on the nose. We find out that the number of snowboarders who rented was 40.